Ayan guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Bigonia Resort. Ayan guys, Bigonia Resort. Pick up na po tayo guys para island whale shark watching. So ayan. Dito tayo sa Budolho. Ayan. Budolho, Panglao, Bohol. Ayan yun. Sa loob tayo guys. Ganda yung swimming pool na lang, lalim. Yay! Yan, dito na po kami sa whale shark watching. And yes. It's nice view.
Second,
briefing guys,
can you turn
briefing.
your flash? No light because the eyes of the whale shark is very sensitive. In swimming, please observe 5 meters away from the whale shark. And if you can see the whale shark getting into you, don't panic. Just give way and let him pass the harm. You're not allowed to apply sandblocks and any kinds of oil because this product contains chemicals that can harm the whale. And please do not feed the whale shark and do not throw any garbage. Most very important again, please do not touch the whale. At this moment, we have a 6 whale shark. Yeah, you're so lucky. Oh, yeah.
Ayan, finish briefing. Sila? Ayan. Sa whale shark. Dito po kami sa whale shark guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Maraming tao. Maraming tao ngayon. Ayan. So, whale shark watching. Yan, my guess. Ayan guys. Yan po ang site dito sa whale shark watching. So, ayan, nakita niyo. Ayan. So, napakalinaw yung tubig pero yeah, it's already.
Yes, this one is good.